Hello, in this video, we'll create a simple JavaScript program to reverse the characters of any given string. Our goal is to take any given string, reverse the order of its characters, and return the new string. Here's our string reverse function. It splits the string into an array, reverses the array, and joins it back into a string. Let's break down the code. First, we split the string, then reverse the array. Finally, join it back to form the reversed string. In this example, reversing W3Resource gives us the output string. Here, reversing JavaScript yields the output string. It's that simple. Using ES6 array functions, we can make our code more concise, as shown here. In summary, reversing a string is quick and easy in JavaScript using the splits, reverse, and join methods. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.